We'll guide you through how to compare Krita with Procreate, two popular digital art platforms. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to Krita's official website. Krita is a free, open-source painting program known for its robust brush engine and detailed customization options. It's excellent for creating large-scale artworks and offers a wide range of features like layer management, advanced selection tools, and a customizable user interface. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Now, switch over to Procreate's website. Procreate is a powerful digital illustration app designed exclusively for iPad and iPhone users. It's not free, but it offers a sleek, intuitive interface that artists love for its ease of use and performance. Procreate is known for its dynamic brushes, robust layer system, and real-time rendering capabilities. It's perfect for artists who are on the go and want to work directly on their device with Touch and Apple Pencil support. When comparing the two, consider your device preference and budget. Krita is great if you prefer working on a desktop or laptop and need a free, feature-rich tool. Procreate is ideal if you enjoy working on an iPad with the advantage of touch controls and the precision of an Apple Pencil. Both programs support PSD files, which is handy for transferring work between platforms. Ultimately, the choice depends on your workflow and whether you need portability and ease of use versus the comprehensive toolset and flexibility of an open-source application. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.